Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make card design in MS Word. Open a new document and set your page size to the card dimensions you want, then choose orientation and margins. Pick a simple grid or guides to align text and images. Use Insert to add shapes, pictures, and text boxes. Save versions as you progress and export a PDF for printing to preserve colors and layout. Start with a clear focal point like a headline or central image and build around it. Balance text blocks with white space to keep the card readable and elegant. Align elements using the ruler and grid lines so nothing feels off-center. Group related items and use consistent font styles for headings and body text. Consider contrast for legibility and test a print preview before finalizing your file for export. If this content is helping, please subscribe and like to support more step-by-step tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings music and voice controls to your workspace and pairs nicely with creative sessions. It's a small smart speaker that fills a room and makes hands-free commands easy while you work. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Create columns or multiple panels with the column setting for folded cards or multiple cards per page. Lock aspect ratios on images to avoid distortion when resizing and crop with the picture tools for clean edges. Add subtle borders or drop shadows for depth, but avoid clutter. Duplicate a well-made card on the same page to print multiple copies and export as PDF to keep layout intact across devices and printers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.